Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food budget that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Purina 1 Chicken and Rice Formula Dry Dog Food. Purina Pro Plan is one of our most recommended dog foods, and we especially like their puppy formula, but you can get many of the same advantages with Purina's budget line, Purina 1. Purina 1 is available for as little as $1.26 per pound, for a 40-pound bag, while Purina Pro Plan costs closer to $1.70 per pound. Real chicken is the first ingredient in Purina 1 Smart Blend Natural Dog Food Chicken and Rice Formula, just as lamb is the first ingredient for the lamb and rice formula. It's made without fillers and has prebiotic fiber designed to foster a healthy microbiota. It also has glucosamine, which is commonly recommended by veterinarians for joint health. Hard evidence demonstrates that glucosamine's connection to joint health is limited so far, but it's a safe addition to your dog's diet while research is ongoing. But Purina 1 doesn't just offer complete nutrition, it's also likely to be a hit with your dog, thanks to its combination of crunchy kibble and tender meat morsels. Purina 1 doesn't have probiotics, unlike Purina Pro Plan. While probiotics have been demonstrated to have some benefits, they're probably not necessary for healthy dogs, and data on their efficacy is still fairly limited. 2 Purina 1 also has slightly less fiber and fewer natural ingredients. If you're just looking for a basic dog food for an adult pet without specific dietary needs, you're saving money without giving up too much by opting for 1 over Pro Plan. Purina 1 Smart Blend Natural Dog Food is available in chicken and rice, beef and rice, and lamb and rice flavors, in addition to tailored formulas for puppies, senior dogs, large breeds, sensitive stomachs, and more. It's also available in a wet food formula. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Nature's Recipe Grain-Free Dog Food. Grain-free diets are meant for dogs who have been diagnosed by a vet with dietary sensitivities, not for the average dog. Despite the increased availability of this food in recent years, it's not recommended to give your dog a grain-free diet, because it has been associated with an increase in cardiac disease, or dilated cardiomyopathy in dogs. However, if your dog is on a grain-free diet as recommended by your vet, this reasonably priced brand is a good option. The brand has been creating purposeful recipes for over 40 years. Nature's Recipe Grain-Free Chicken, Sweet Potato and Pumpkin Recipe is a delicious, nutritious dog kibble formulated to help support your dog's needs. Strong muscles. Chicken is a quality protein source that helps maintain optimal muscle strength. Healthy digestion. Fiber from sweet potatoes and pumpkin helps support healthy digestion. Healthy skin and coat. Omega-6 fatty acids from chicken and chicken fat help support skin and coat health. Strong immune system. Antioxidants zinc and vitamin E help support a healthy immune system. Healthy heart. Taurine helps support a healthy heart. Try this tasty, grain-free dry dog food now to give your dog healthy fuel for a happy life. At number 3, we have the IAMS Healthy Aging Adult Dry Dog Food. Senior dogs need protein to maintain muscle mass and also may benefit from food that contains supplements for brain and joint health. IAMS Proactive Health Healthy Aging Dog Food has real chicken as the first ingredient and contains nutrients to support aging joints and fiber for healthy digestion. That may help senior dogs with more regular bathroom habits. IAMS Mature Adult Dry Dog Food with real chicken was created to meet the specific wellness and nutritional needs of your older dog. With real, farm-raised chicken as the first ingredient, this dry dog food is formulated to support healthy bones and joint health with a balance of key nutrients formulated for senior dogs. A blend of fiber and prebiotics promotes healthy digestion. Plus, the tasty dog kibble supports a strong immune system with antioxidants. When you feed your mature dog IAMS dry food, you can feel good knowing they're getting the nutrition they need to bring out their unique best. At number 2, we have the Purina Pro Plan High Protein Puppy Food. Puppies are growing fast and have about twice the energy needs of an adult dog of the same breed, and this vet and breeder recommended brand has everything your growing pooch needs. Puppy blends are typically higher in fat content and protein content to help them grow. It also contains ingredients such as DHA for brain and vision development. Purina Pro Plan Puppy is available in several variants, targeting specific young dog age ranges and needs. Keep your playful puppy happy by supporting his dietary needs with Purina Pro Plan brand dog food puppy lamb and rice formula dry puppy food. Real lamb as the first ingredient helps provide protein, one of the essential building blocks your puppy's body requires, and DHA from fish oil nourishes his brain and vision development. With no artificial colors or flavors, each high-quality ingredient is carefully chosen for a specific nutritional or functional purpose, so each puppy kibble nibble delivers maximum nutritional impact. The highly digestible formula promotes nutrient bioavailability to deliver optimal nutrient absorption. This formula is formulated to meet the nutritional needs of puppies under 1 year old, and the lamb and rice dog food formula makes each bite one that encourages him to wag his tail. Make this formula part of his daily diet, and give your puppy what he needs to live an exceptional life. And finally at number 1, we have the PEDIGREE Complete Nutrition Adult Dry Dog Food. If you've got a big eater, then PEDIGREE Adult Complete Nutrition is a bargain bulk buy, available in bags up to 44 pounds. It's complete and balanced, containing no artificial flavors or added sugar. The kibble comes in 3 different sizes, offering a varied texture for your dog. It has the antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals canines need to help maintain a healthy lifestyle, and in the delicious roasted chicken flavor they love. This tasty dry kibble helps support healthy digestion. Plus, it's enriched with omega-6 fatty acids to help nourish your dog's skin and promote a healthy coat. Irresistible in every way, this dry dog food provides whole grains and protein, and was made in the USA with the world's finest ingredients. It has no artificial flavors, no high fructose corn syrup, and no added sugar. Dogs bring out the good in us. PEDIGREE brings out the good in them. Feed the good. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.